Students, welcome to my next class of pair of linear equation in two variables. In this class we'll see some more problems of elimination method. Let's start. The first question is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. For these two equation, first we have to multiply whole equation by LCM and we have to convert this into the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Let's do it. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, so we have to multiply 6 with all the numbers. Multiply 6 both sides. So we have to, I am not writing again, you have to write, and then in the next step you do this step. Multiply 6 both sides. What is 6? 6 is the LCM. So I have to multiply 6 here, then 6 here, also I have to multiply 6 here. You have to multiply 6 both sides, in left hand side as well as in right hand side. Here 2 ones are 2, 3s are 6, and here 3 ones are 3, 2s are 6. So what will remain? 3 into x, 3x, plus 2 into 2 is 4, so it will be 4y is equal to minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. Then here the next equation, in this equation 3 is the LCM. Okay, so we have to multiply 3 both sides, into 3, into 3, and into 3. 3 into x, 3x. Here 3 and 3 get cancelled, minus y will remain, is equal to 3 3s are 9. Now student, let's solve. We say this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. We have to solve equation 1 and 2. We have to solve equation 1 and 2. So we have to eliminate, now we have to eliminate either x or y. I can eliminate x term. Why? Because 3x and 3x is same. So I can eliminate this term. But here sign is plus. Both signs are plus, so we cannot eliminate without changing sign here. As I said you in my yesterday's class, that if cancellation is not possible without changing sign, we have to change the sign of second equation. So if sign is plus, we have to change it to minus. If sign is minus, we have to change it to plus. Here sign is minus plus, so I am changing it to minus. Sign is minus, I am changing it to plus. Here sign is plus, I am changing it to minus. Now this plus 3x and minus 3x will get cancelled. 4y plus y will be 5y, which is equal to minus 6, and minus 9 will be minus 15. 5 ones are and 5 threes are 15. Y is equal to minus 3. Now we have to substitute y is equal to minus 3 either in equation 1 or equation 2. I am substituting in equation number 1 to get the value of x. Substitute y is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. Now let's first write equation number 1. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Now 3 into x will be as it is. 4 into the value of y is minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Now again 3x plus into minus will be minus. 4 3s are 12 is equal to minus 6. Now I am doing here. This 3x will be as it is, student, is equal to minus 6 will be as it is. Now we are transferring this minus 12 to right hand side. It will be plus 12 on another side. Now 3x is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are. X is equal to 2. So we got both the values. Y is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 2. Now fifth one question, student. We have this we consider as equation number 1, the first one. Second one, equation number 2. Now solve 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. We are solving now. Here you see the plus y and minus y is getting cancelled directly without changing sign. If without changing sign any term is eliminating, we have to eliminate it. So we are eliminating without changing sign because it is possible here. Here it was not possible without changing sign. So we change the sign. If it is possible, no need to change the sign. Plus x will be plus 2x is equal to 20 plus 14 will be 34. Now 2 1s are 2 1s are, then 2 7s are. X is equal to 17. Now substitute x is equal to 17 in equation 1. X plus y is equal to 20, student. X is how much? 17 plus y is equal to 20. Now y is equal to 20 as it is. Transfer 17 to right hand side. It will be minus 17. Y is equal to 3. This is the solution for these pair of linear equations. Now we'll solve one example, that is example number 2. Let's do it. Example number 2 is use the elimination method to find the all possible solution of the following pair of linear equations. Two linear equations are given. We have to find the solution of pair of linear equations. Solutions are, we know, x and y are the solution. Let's do it. Here, student, first we will consider the first equation as equation number 1 and second equation number as equation number 2. Then we have to solve equation number 1 and 2. As we know, we have to solve these two equations. I am doing directly, but you have to write down, like we have to consider below it equation 1 and 2, then solve 1 and 2. Can we eliminate x term, student? No, we cannot. One is 2x, another is 4x. Can we eliminate 3y and 6y? No, we cannot eliminate. Both are different. So first we have to balance the equation here. As we learned yesterday, either we have to make this as 4x, then these two get cancelled, or we have to make this as 6y. So both become same and we can cancel it. What I am doing, I am multiplying this equation by 2 to make this same. as 4x. Then second equation by 1. So 2 2s are 4, 4x. Then 2 3s are 6, 6y is equal to 8. Then when you multiply equation by 1, the same thing will remain. 4x plus 6y is equal to, here 2 8s are 16. This is 16, student, keep in mind. 2 8s are 16. Then this equation will be as it is. Can we cancel now? No, we cannot cancel. First we have to change the sign here. The sign is plus, it will be minus, here also minus, here also minus. Now plus 4x and minus 4x get cancelled, student. Plus 6y minus 6y get cancelled here, student. So what will remain here? 0 is equal to 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Student, instead of getting the values of x and y, what we are getting here? We are getting 0 is equal to 9. Now what does it mean? That is important. First of all, student, 0 is equal to 9 is not a correct statement. This is a false statement, student. 0 is equal to 9 is a false statement, not correct. So the pair of linear equations has no solution, student. If it has solution, then we will get the value of x and y. We will get here either x or y after eliminating. By substituting in any one of the equation, we will get the another value. But here we are not getting x, we are not getting y. So we have to write which is a false statement, which is 0 is equal to 9 is a false statement. Therefore the pair of linear equations has no solution. Keep in mind, student, if you are getting x and y, it means it has solution. If you are getting false statement like this, then we have to say which is a false statement, and this is our answer. The pair of linear equation has no solution. Sometime you will get here and here same, like 9 is equal to 9, 18 is equal to 18. If it is like that, then what you have to write, then we will discuss that when that type of problem comes. I hope you understood these three problems. This question number 4, 5th, and this question. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you.